In front of me is OPPO A6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now scroll again, and what most people miss is that you need to tap on Privacy Controls and then this way get access to Permission Manager. So click on it and click on one of those sections you wanna manage. Let's go with Camera. Now tap on one of your apps under one of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, and last one, not allowed. I will go with AliExpress from not allowed one. Then click on one of the available options to apply the one you want. In my case, camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Let's go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that AliExpress just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But what most people forget, and honestly this is my favorite part, is that you can click on any feature just to find an app you wanna manage. Like, let's go into microphone to access messages, and instead of clicking on any of those options, scroll all the way down to tap on this tiny text, see all permissions. Then manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!